Here's how to block ads in Chrome, YouTube, apps, and games. First, in order to block ads in Chrome, you need to go ahead and open your Chrome application. Tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and tap on Settings. Now from this page, again scroll down and tap on Site Settings, that is between accessibility and languages. In the site settings, you need to go ahead and turn these options on, like pops up and redirects. Scroll down, go to Content, and then go to Pops Up and Redirects. Make sure that it's blocked. Then again, go to Ads. Then find the option of JavaScript optimization and security, and also turn this option off. You can also use the option of DNS ad blocking. This method blocks ads in most apps and browsers without needing to install an app. For that, you need to open your settings, then scroll down and go to Connections or Network. Go to More Connection Settings, and then tap on Private DNS, which is just below the VPN option. Select Private DNS Provider Host Name, and then enter dns.adguard.com and save. You can also enter dns.google and tap on Save. This is going to block many ads without installation, and it's safe and free. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.